Hi friends, today we are going for shopping at Shahinshah Pursaiwakam. And guess what? They have just received new arrivals in Western long frocks. Come, let's see them. Hi friends, how are you doing? Hope everybody is doing good. So today we are back again with some very exciting range in Western gowns. Western gowns have just arrived from the capital, fashion capital of India. Yes, we have just got latest stock from Bombay. Look at this beautiful frock. Wow, such a lovely fall. We have this very elegant patchwork here. See, looking at this patchwork, and you have this strap here. This is a sleeveless frock. This is an imported material. It's an imported lycra material. High in fashion and high on style. Latest style just arrived. Best worn for birthday parties, get-togethers, weddings, an evening gown. Let me show you the back design also. See the patch here. You can see, yeah, the patch is starting from here. Very beautiful, very classy and sober. So let's see the colors in this beautiful Western frock. Let's start. Wow, beautiful peach color. You can see the patch looks so nice in this color. Wow, it gives you a 3D effect. You can see this patch, see? It gives you a very nice 3D effect. And let's see the next color. This comes in 3 colors. And the third color is maroon color. Oh wow, this looks very nice. Nice color, very good color. So this frock comes in 3 beautiful colors: maroon, navy blue and peach. So let's come to the most exciting part you're waiting for, the price of this designer frock. So what the price of this frock is? Take a guess. No, it's not 3,000. No, it's neither 2,500. It's still low. It's not 2,000 also. It's still lower. Okay, let me unveil you the price of this frock. It's only rupees 1275. Can you believe? It's only rupees 1275. 1,275 only for this beautiful designer frock. This comes in L size. The size available in this is L size. So girls wearing M and L can go for this frock. The fit of this frock will be suitable for size M and L size. So the next frock we are going to see is a dazzling long frock. A dazzling Western long frock. Wow. Looks so classy and elegant. Look at this frock. Has a 3D kind of a design. Beautiful frock. Nice complete long frock. Let me give you a close-up picture of it. You see the material? This is a imported material. The shimmer is inbuilt shimmer, so you need not worry about it's going to peel off after washing or no. It's just completely inbuilt, it's never going to come out. And this has a nice sequence here. You can see the lovely sequence and the shimmer. Wow, looks so nice and classy. So this comes with the sleeves. The sleeves are available. You can always get it stitched if you like to add with the sleeves. It comes with half sleeves. Wow. So this design comes in both front and back. The same thing is extended at the back also. So coming to the colors, now I'm going to show you the various color options in this. Wow, look at this color. This comes in silver color. Silver color with silver dazzles. And the sequence color is? Sequence also comes in silver color. And the next color in this is? This comes with a blackish tone. Little more darker silver with a mix of black. Wow, really very nice, dazzling. And the sequence is black color. Let me show you what's underneath the fabric. It's underneath, you'll get an idea of it. See, it's a nice cotton fabric underneath. It's very comfortable to your skin. You need not worry about itchy or pokey. This also has a lining. This comes with a lining inside. It's a cotton lining. Cotton lining, so it's going to be very skin friendly and very comfortable for you. You can see the lining here also. Yes. So the fourth color in this is a silver and a pink combination. Wow. Look at this frock. Wow. Looks so beautiful. Complete dazzling. Alright. So coming to the price, the most exciting part of this. What do you think the price of this designer frock is? I'll not keep the suspense for a long time. I know you're waiting for the price. The price of this? Only rupees 1525. Can you believe it? It's only 1525 only. It's only rupees 1525 for this designer western gown. Wow. The size available in this is size M and L. Two sizes available in this, size M and L. So guys, from Bollywood, we are going to go to the Hollywood style now. You heard me right. This frock, which I'm going to show you now, is worn by many Hollywood celebrities at Oscar award functions. So let's see this Hollywood model frock. Wow, such a beauty, a masterpiece I would say. This frock is an A-line frock. It's a complete long frock with a tight fit. It's a narrow fitting tight fit. This has a kind of a design here. Pleats here around the waist and has a nice cutting here at the sleeves, the 3/4 sleeves. It has a cutting here. Looks very smart and trendy. Very sober frock this is. Wow. So let me show you at the back also. Yeah. It has a cutting here at the back. It has a zip here, easy to wear. Yeah, so it's a nice slim fit fitting frock, very nice for weddings, engagement ceremonies, birthday parties, or photo shoots. You can wear this at any occasion. It look very classy and sober. It will make you stand out of the crowd. I am sure many will come forward to take some selfies with you. They might think that some actress has come. So let's see some colors in this now. Let's start. Wow, amazing colors. This is a nice silver color with a complete dazzle. Wow, look at the dazzling. And we're going to the blue, my favorite blue color. Wow, look at the dazzle. So this comes in total of 5 colors. So now we are seeing silver, red and blue. Let me show you the other 2 colors. Come on. So the other colors available in this is the mighty black color. And everybody's favorite, the women's favorite, gold color. So this fabric is an imported fabric. It has a nice lycra imported fabric. This also comes with a cotton lining. Comes with a nice cotton lining which will keep you comfortable. So coming to the most awaited part, the price of this frock. So what do you think the price of this masterpiece is? The Hollywood masterpiece. So the price of this is only rupees 2475. Yes, it's only rupees 2475 only. Can you believe it, guys? Only rupees 2475. The sizes available in this is size M and L. 2 sizes available in this. Size M and L. Wow. So this season, this festive season, the current trend has been a lot of shimmering frocks. Shimmering western frocks is the current trend now. So we have received lot of designs in shimmering. The frock what you are seeing now comes in an imported fabric with a slight shimmer. See, it is not very shimmering. Everybody doesn't like to wear a full shimmer. So this comes with a little shimmer. The fabric is a stretch fabric, like a lycra fabric. It also comes with a lining. A full western frock. So around the waist you have this nice belt which comes with small diamonds and pearls around. A nice design around the waist. Comes with pleats. The material, the fabric is very soft and very comfortable. Very nice soft fabric. It has sleeves. Sleeves can be attached later. Let me show you the back part. This comes here, you can tie it here. It's a nice western gown. So the pleats you are seeing, the main attraction of this frock are the pleats. So the pleats what you are seeing here surround the entire waist. So this gives you a very sober and a classy look. See, you can see the pleats here. They are all around the waist. Wow, there are so many beautiful patterns this time. So let's see the colors available in this. Let's start. So the shades available in this are, so on the left you have the maroon shade, the center one is the purple shade, and the right one is the black. This comes in the 5 colors. So let's see the other 2 colors. So the next 2 colors are, you have this lovely blue, the nice blue color, and bottle green. So this frock comes in 5 colors. Western frock, full frock with a nice lycra material, stretchable, easy to wear. So coming to the price. So what do you think the price of this frock is? No, it's still lesser. Neither 3000. No, it's not 2000. It's only rupees 1525. only rupees 1525, and the sizes available are M and L. Two sizes available for this frock, size M and L. Wow! So coming to the next designer frock, this is a very nice sober frock. No shimmer in this. This frock is without the shimmer. The main attraction of this frock is this lovely piece going over this, and the same piece is over here also. Let me show you from far. This will remind you of a nice sari, a little sari pattern. And you have this lovely pleats around the waist. See, this material is only in the front. This comes only in the front, and this also comes only in the front. At the back you have pleats, and the front portion comes up here. Yeah. So the material of this frock is a chiffon material. It's a nice soft chiffon material with cotton lining. It has a small brochure here. It gives you a good look. The sleeves also do come in this frock. So the colors available in this frock are, we have a nice shade of a pink. Okay. Right, very nice color. A good frock for a birthday party or evening party or get together among friends. So coming to the price of this frock. So what you think the price of this frock is? The price of this frock is only rupees 1750. I repeat, only rupees 1750. Wow, what a frock. Going back to Hollywood. So the next frock we are going to see will remind you of the Hollywood actress wearing this frock. This is a very sober, elegant and a classy frock. Comes in nice wavy designs. You can see these designs are wavy. All over you have these designs going, and a little glitter. The shining has a little shine all over the frock, but it doesn't look very jazzy from far. This gives a little look to the frock with the shining. A complete long frock with a good frock cutting. Coming to the sleeves, it has this lovely lace here and a fancy sleeve, 3/4 sleeves. This has a very nice collar design here. Looks very classy. This is a lycra fabric. The fabric is a lycra stretch fabric, so it's going to be very comfortable. You also have a lining. There's also a lining for this frock. Let's see the design at the back. So at the back you have this complete designing all around here also. You have this nice wavy kind of a 3D effect. This gives a 3D effect to the frock. See, let me zoom in and show you. See, this gives a nice 3D effect to the frock. Wow, such a beauty this is. Let me show you the colors in this frock. So you have this peach color, a lovely peach color in this, and the other one you have the blue. See, you can see the designs in this also. The whole frock you have these designs. So this is a nice evening frock. You can wear it to a birthday party or a function. Okay, we have this maroon shade also. So we have 4 colors totally. 4 colors in this. So coming to the price. So what you think the price of this frock is? Take a guess. What you think the size is? The price of this frock is only rupees 1350. Only rupees 1350. Unbelievable prices. Shahenshah sells garments at unbelievable prices. Only rupees 1350. Great on fashion, amazing style, trendy design at very, very affordable prices. So come visit Shahenshah and you'll be surprised to see all the gowns, dresses, everything at very reasonable prices at an amazing fashion. Come visit Shahenshah soon. This comes in size M and L.
Signing off for now. We will be back with our next new arrivals very soon. Take care.